What is up, guys? This is Tim Tens. Welcome to another vlog. Today we are in Hungary, close to the Balaton Lake. We arrived late yesterday and last minute we booked this hostel, which is very budget friendly. It's not very luxurious, but the price is very okay. We pay 15 euro per person, which is 30 euro for one room actually. Breakfast included. One of the things you can do when you visit the Balaton Lake in Hungary is to cross the lake with a ferry and visit the small island of Tihany, which is very nice. We're walking here right now and we're going uphill towards the Abbey, and there are some more things to see here. And by the way, let me introduce you to my cousin Andreas.
Hi, what's up, guys?
We're traveling together for the next 2 weeks and the first destination is Hungary, where we are right now. We made it to the Abbey of Tihany. This is one of the highlights of the village Tihany, just next to the Balaton Lake. Once you cross the lake, it's about a 30-minute hike. So make sure to visit Tihany and have a look around the Abbey. First impressions?
It's quite nice here. Just a little crowdy, but it's okay. Otherwise, the weather is great.
This is something typical from around here. This is called langos, and it's some kind of dough fried in oil with sour cream and then cheese over it. So let's try. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's actually something sweet with salty cheese over it. It's a good combination. Definitely try it. We just descended from Tihany, the Abbey, all the way down here. We're next to the Balaton Lake, and I just learned that actually the Balaton Lake is only 3.3 meters average depth, which is kind of crazy because the lake is 78 kilometers long, which is very long, but only 3.3 meters deep. Well, we were just walking around here on a trail, and we found this place here. It looks like layers of lava from old volcanoes. It looks pretty amazing. Actually, we didn't expect to find this here. So another hidden treasure of Balaton Lake. So we're running away here from this spot because it's full of mosquitoes there. We're getting really crazy. Oh, and damn. We just ran into another one. Hopefully less mosquitoes here. And we found another cave or cave-alike something. And here it looks like probably people lived here before. It's kind of crazy. There's something there, like something to cook or a toilet. No idea what it is. Yeah, the mosquitoes are eating us alive here. So we need to move, Go, 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 go. Unfortunately, this is the end of our trip here in Hungary, Balaton Lake. What else than a beautiful sunset to enjoy here next to the Balaton Lake. Tomorrow we're heading to Montenegro. That will be another awesome trip. So make sure to subscribe if you're new to this channel, because more videos are coming. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it with your friends, and see you in the next one.